Rapid weight loss juices. The truth about juicing is that it's far more than just an easy way to introduce a wide range of essential vitamins and nutrients into your system. It's also a great way to detox your body for rapid fat burning. How does detoxing help you lose weight? Detoxing your body frees you of harmful toxins that can make weight loss difficult, so by incorporating juicing into your weight loss regimen, you're able to speed up the fat-burning process while ensuring you are getting the vitamins and nutrients you need to maintain your diet. Experts say that you should eat 6 to 8 servings of vegetables each day, but as you can imagine, few people get what they need. This is just one of the ways that juicing can help you lose weight. A hearty helping of vegetables will simply make you feel fuller longer, which will make it easier for you to control your appetite and stay on track. Here are our top 4 juicing recipes for rapid weight loss. 1. Carrot juice. 6 to 8 carrots, 1/4 head of cabbage, half cucumber, piece of ginger, half teaspoon of black pepper. How to make it: chop your carrots and cucumber into bite-sized chunks and blend. Add cabbage, ginger and pepper. Pour into tall glass and add ice. Carrot juice is great for weight loss because it's low in calories, yet full of important fiber. In addition, fiber keeps you feeling full, so drinking a large glass of carrot juice in the morning will make it easy for you to stay on track until lunch. Carrot juice is also known to increase the levels of bile secretion, which ultimately helps you burn more fat. 2. Bitter gourd juice. 2 gourd, half lemon, half apple. How to make it: peel the gourds and scoop out the white flesh and seeds. Chop into smaller sections. Next, soak the pieces in cold water for 20 minutes. Then, chop the apple and lemon into bite-sized pieces. Next, add the gourd, lemon and apple to your blender. If you want to reduce the bitterness, you can add honey to the mix. This bitter gourd is an incredibly powerful aid when it comes to fast weight loss due to its high level of dietary fiber. This fiber stimulates the liver so it can secrete bile acids, which are required for metabolizing fat. It's also very low in calories. In fact, a 100-gram serving of gourd contains just 17 calories. 3. Beet juice. 1 beet, 2 red cabbage leaves, 3 medium carrots, half lemon, 1 orange, 1/3 pineapple, 1 handful of spinach. How to make it: peel and chop the ingredients into bite-sized chunks and blend. Add a bit of ice and enjoy. This juice will help you clear bile ailments from your system while cleansing away toxic components from your liver. The healthier your liver is, the easier it is to lose weight because your liver works to metabolize fat quickly. 4. Lemonade juice. 2 cups of spinach, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 4 leaves of kale, 2 medium red apples. How to make it: slice your apples and cucumber into bite-sized chunks and juice them. Add in lemon, kale and spinach. You want to make sure the mixture is smooth. Serve in a tall glass with ice. When it comes to the top juices for rapid weight loss, this is one of the most refreshing, powerful blends of them all. Lemons are fat-burning powerhouses, so by combining them with the complexion-boosting vivacity of cucumbers, you're able to enjoy rapid weight loss while improving the look and feel of your skin.